In this video, we'll be learning how to make Jini mini dosa. It's a famous street style dosa which you can find it in Bombay. Hello guys, welcome you all. Let's look into the ingredients. So here I taken 1 medium sized carrot which is grated, 1 medium sized onion chopped, few sweet corns, 1 medium sized potato which is boiled, 1 capsicum which is finely chopped, few cheese cubes, and of course dosa batter. Preheat the tawa, pour some batter and spread it evenly. Now let's add the vegetables. I've added potato, capsicum, onion, carrot, few sweet corns. Add a teaspoon of ghee or oil. A pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Now mix all the ingredients and cook for a minute. Add a teaspoon of chaat masala. Mix it well and wait until the vegetables get cooked. The vegetables are cooked. Now let's grate some cheese over it. Our cheese is melted. Let's fold it. Spread some ghee on top. It's optional. You can skip it if you don't prefer. Serve with chutney or ketchup. Please do support by like, share and subscribing my channel. Thank you.